How to make your desktop clean and professional. First step, clean the desktop. First of all, you need to clean your desktop. As you can see, my desktop is very ugly. It is full with shortcuts, folders, files and many more things. And so I need to clean these all things. First of all, you can check these by one and you can delete this. In this case, I am delete these all things by pressing Ctrl and A and Shift Delete to delete these all. Second step, basic changes. After you have cleaned your desktop, we need to make some changes to match with our theme. So first of all, I'm changing wallpaper. So I'm right click and go to Personalize. Then you can change your background. You can use any wallpaper you like, but it would be matched to our theme. You can download this type of wallpapers from most famous websites like Wallpaper Access, Wallpaper Fair or Unsplash or any of these sites. These are the free sites, but you can try other premium sites also. So I'm use this wallpaper. Then I'm going to the color section. And then you can change your theme. I'm change my theme into dark theme. After that, you can turn on this transparency effect. After I turn on this transparency effect, it looks like more transparency and it's look great. Then you can change the color that you want to these dark bars and the window borders. So I'm choose this color matched in my wallpaper. You can choose the color with the wallpaper. You can manually select this. If you want to automatically select it, you can tick this flow. AI will select your best color to your match with your wallpaper. So we decided to blue color, but I need this orchid color. So after that, you can tick both of these boxes. Then you can see this applied to your taskbar and window borders, and your start menu also it applied. Now then, you can go to the taskbar. Then you can press on lock the taskbar first. And then you can click on automatically hide the my desktop mode and close it. Then right click on it and we need to change this search bar. So I'm going to the search and show search icon. Then right click again and I'm hide this Cortana button. If you need this Cortana button, you can turn it stay, but I doesn't need this Cortana button, so I'm untick it. Then we need to change these all things into in compact view. These are restrict our taskbar, so I will drag these all into this compact view. Now it's look like clean. So these are the settings would need to change to our theme. Third step, middle the taskbar. So after you had changed the wallpaper and turn on transparency effect and do this all, then we are going to middle this taskbar. So you doesn't need any software, you doesn't need any command, you doesn't need to any change of registrations. I'm going to use a simple trick. So right click on your taskbar and go to toolbars and click on links. It would add this type of link. Then right click on it and go to lock the taskbar to unlock this taskbar. Then you can see this type of double lines appear. Then you can drag this one to this. Then it will be hide the icons. Then again drag it to the start. Then it will be appeared in your right hand side. So I drag these all to the middle. Then you can see we can get the icons into the middle in the taskbar. So after you had positioned it, you can right click on it and you can hide this text. So I'm press on short title. Then you need to hide this also, these double lines. So I'm right click and lock the taskbar. Then you can see it's finished. Fourth step, translucent the taskbar. After After you had make changes, the following changes, like you had changed the wallpaper and clean the desktop and method the taskbar, then we're going to transparent or translucent this taskbar. This also we doesn't need any software. So go to the registry editor and press on Win key and R key, then it's open the run and you can type here this command, edit. Then you can open the registry editor like this way. You can also copy this current action address from the link in the description. After you had copied that address, you can paste out on this and you can go to the location of these both too. So I'm going to the manual and go to the Hey current user. Inside Hey current user, you're going to go to the software. Inside software, you need to go to the Microsoft. Right, you can expand it. Then go to inside Microsoft. You can to go to the Windows. Then you want to go to the current version. Inside the current version, you can go to the themes. Inside themes, you can go to the personalization. In that one, you can change the color prevalence into 0%. Like you can take it to 0 and press on OK. Then go back to that and you need to go back to the current version like here. Then you can go to the Explorer, then go to Advanced. Inside Advanced, we need to add a new key of default 32-bit value and you can rename it as this name, task directory opacity names. This is that. Like that. If you have create this default 32-bit, then enter it, then open it and you can press this value on 0 value. You can make it, if you are in the 0, it looks transparent, and if you turn it to 255, it's opaque, and if you enter the middle value, it will only translucent. So we will make changes in the another command. So take this 0 and press on OK. Then you can close your registry editor. If you need to test it all, you can go to the task manager and you can restart the Windows Explorer. But we have a simple command to use that one again and again. So I'll close this one. Last step. Make and run a command. You can download this code from the description. I have already created the file. So this is my created file. You can copy that code. This is the command. You can copy this from the description. I will link. Then you have copy. You can paste it into the new txt. You can name it anyway, and you can right click it on it and rename it to pet. You can change this extension as pet. Then double click and open that file. Then enter transparency value. So if you need transparent, you can tick 0%. If you need opaque like this, you can make it to 255%. But I need the translucent both in the middle. So I am use 100 or 150. 150 is more often. So you can enter the 150 and enter it. Then your Windows Explorer will be restarted like this. It will take some time to restart because of your computer performance. So after some seconds, you can see like this way. So let's test that. You can open any window you like. Then I'm open this type of window. Then you can drag this to. Then you can see the transparent effect is ready. This is not transparent. This is translucent. This is translucent effect. So let's stick like this. This is translucent. If you need another translucent for this one, you can again go to that file and double click on it and open it, and you can change the value. So that's how we change our desktop like more cool and more. If you need another ones, you can use rain meter or another third-party methods too. You can customize your Windows. Looks like very really cool. So after the all result, this is the result, final result. In today's video, let's talk about how to create your desktop looks cool and looks professional. So if you learn something from this video, you can like this video and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to don't miss any other this type of Photoshop tutorials, desktop customization videos and graphic designing tutorials for any module. So thank you for watching and we will see you in another interesting video with more new stuff and see you again on Graphicia.